12 ways to make money online in Canada. There are a lot of reasons to consider making money online. It can be a continuous from a passive income. It can also be a cool side hustle to bring in some extra dollars on top of 495. Maybe you have a specific goals in mind like saving for a vacation or trying to get out of debate. Regardless of your intention, using the internet as a means to make money is worth the effort. Creative ways to make money online. Using online platforms as a way to make money might seem a bit daunting, but it's not always as complicated as it seems. There are even ways for kids to make money online. You have too many different options to creatively make money online. It's likely that at least one or more of these points will be appealing. Here's a list of how you can capitalize off the internet to either make a living or earn some extra dollars. Start a niche blog and leverage affiliate marketing. Starting a blog is one of the easiest points of entry for making money online. There's a reason that it's worth mentioning the word niche. Your blog needs to be laser focused on a specific topic. It's not enough to be a food blogger anymore. You need to be blogging about cafes in rural areas of Canada. While that example may not be attractive, the point is that your content needs to be narrow enough your audience knows exactly what they are getting every single time. And once that audience is identified, it makes affiliate marketing that much more effective. Affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission for generating traffic or sales to a retailers you will be partnered with. It's usually accomplished through posting link on your blog page that direct your audience to some product outside of your site. Your blog must be niche so you can identify partners that fit your content. Using the rural cafes example, you likely would not post affiliate links of vacations of South America. You don't have to keep the affiliation to something closer to rural cafe. List of affiliate networks in Canada. Some of the better affiliate programs in Canada include Honor Affiliate Program, Protein, Lincoln Center, ClickBank, Share Results, Max Bounty, Share a Sales. Number 2. Start an e-commerce websites and sell products online. Do you think you have or can produce a product that people want? If so, then starting an e-commerce site might be your best option. You will have the chance to sell products directly to consumers with no middle person. Of course, this means you will have to take on a heavy share of the responsibilities. That includes the following: a website to host your products, a merchant account to accept payments, something like Stripe or PayPal. Logistics strategy means a way to accept orders and deliver products to consumers, some here to house all your products. A marketing strategy so people are aware of your selling. If you don't have your own products, you can also consider selling products that are not your own through dropshipping. Dropshipping does not involve you owning and keeping any products. How it works is that you offer products for sale on your websites. You fulfill those orders by purchasing the product from a third party, then shipping it directly. Whether you want to sell commodities, essential products in high demand, niche products, or a combination of both, you will then need to decide which platform to sell on, regardless of if you are selling your own products or acquiring products to sell online. Some popular platforms options include Shopify, fulfilled by Amazon FBA, The major benefits of the Amazon is that you don't need to purchase products upfront. You don't need to purchase any product until you get paid by the consumer. This is lowest risk than selling your own products, but also takes some more work in creating the right mix of products that will be enticing enough for consumer.